Assalamu alaikum. In this episode, we will discuss how you can create a scene from your old audio, then create a video from that scene. First, we clicked on the scene builder menu. यहाँ पर इसला बड़ा आइकन दिखना है, क्लिक कर लम. ये आइकन के बाद इसको सिलेक्ट करनी ओल्ड ऑडियो की है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल माई ओल्ड ऑडियो इज अपियरिंग. तो मैंने क्लिक करे दोस्तों, क्लिक करना सिलेक्ट करने के लिए जहाँ पर ऑडियो को उम्मीद है आई चूज 10 seconds. To create a 10-second clip, it will automatically extract how many scenes your audio will have based on those 10 seconds. So you see there are 3 total scenes since 20.5. Well, it could have been 2 scenes, but it took another scene, but it will adjust when you click render. So this has appeared, and after it appears, then don't turn on audio generation here because you've already provided the audio. So this is old audio. After that, everything here is automatic. Everything is automatic. 10 seconds, 3 seconds. You just click start. When you click start, scene generate, you'll see the scene will generate very easily. After the scene generates, if you watched our previous video, you just click generate image to generate the images. Then you'll generate the video. अब अदिता क्लिक रेंडर करा रेंडर गरेको छ. Since my 10 seconds can do Oxy, I'll have to do it with Super Grow. And if you want to do it with View 3, you'll have to give. So for 8 seconds, you can't use Grow. Grow has 6 seconds and 10 seconds, which is, I'm just clicking generate image to generate the images. So you see 3 images have been generated. I clicked view image here and saw that 3 images were viewed. So now what we'll do is click on edit scene. And then, so look which one is my folder. This is my folder. If you click on open folder, you'll see 3 images have been. So I just copied this part. Now what I'll do is click on edit scene and go to the scene here. Since it's 10 seconds, I'll click on upload here and upload the first image. I set it to 10 seconds. Then from here, so I submitted all 3 of them. And I'll download all 3 from here. Here I clicked download. I'll definitely make them scene 0102. Scene 01. Then this is my scene 02. Scene 02. This is your scene 03. So since these 3 videos are done, the clips are done, I'll cut these 3 and go to my project folder, to the generated video in that project folder. I'll paste them here. Once pasted, the render button will automatically even refresh here. For example, the render button has become visible. So if you click on render video, you'll automatically see then the audio, these will automatically turn on. The main reason for this is that you've provided old audio and the sound appeared. So if we click confirm, it's done. So I clicked open folder and I'll click this and I'll turn on the sound a bit. The sound. See? Your uploaded old audio was used to create the scene. Then I made the video and rendered 100% with the audio you uploaded along with the video, a very nice video. A final video has been generated. So this is how you get a video by uploading. So if you want to use Oxy's API, you should definitely set it to 6 seconds. Because they don't support anything under 6 seconds. And if you want to do 10-second videos, you can use Super Grow. And if you want to do 8-second videos, you should definitely. Thank you.